Okay, let's go. Let's go. Get out. Nice one.
Yeah, this is Fabulous Zone, which is for Asante Kotoko supporters and football lovers. Fabulous Zone for Porcupine by Porcupine. Today we have in our midst the physical fitness instructor of Asante Kotoko Football Club. He has come up with something he called Mr. Fitness Pro Soccer Drills for Africa. We are here to find out from him what necessitated this move, the plans for this move, and why pro soccer drills for Africa. Mr. Leonard Akoto. I popularly call him Mr. Fitness.
Fitness, yeah.
Welcome to Fabulous Zone.
Welcome to, and thank you for the opportunity.
In the first place, we want to find out from you, what is the brain behind the Mr. Fitness Pro Soccer drills?
Okay, the brain behind those drills is, Africa, we are very talented. We are talented, but when it comes to the food, we lack certain kind of qualities that the other side used to beat us when it comes to football. So I sat down and I planned and I designed my own drills. So far I've designed about 700 drills. And I think by 2 months time, I'll add another 300 to make about 1,000 drills. And this kind of drills is a whole package of its own. Whenever a player want to get into the field in a short period of time, this is the kind of drill that can help the player to, in fact, let's say a player have stopped playing ball, let's say for 1 year, 5 months, 2 years. For me, I think within 2 months or 1.5 months, I can help the player to get into the game in a short period of time with my drills, because it's the whole combination. We have the agility in, we have the speed, we have the coordination, and also we have the tactical play, and then also the passing at the same time. So in one area, you're doing all in one. That's the drills. And I think so far, I'm the only physical trainer in Africa to the world who is doing this pro soccer drill tour, because I'll be touring about 5 African countries. And since Ghana is my home, I'm starting in Ghana.
So is this the first in its kind in Ghana as this fitness soccer drill?
No, please. I did the Ghana one last year. I taught about 7 regions. So after I sat down and I said, nah, I have to take it to the different level. And maybe after Africa, imagine where I'll head to. That's the vision. Yeah, when it comes to fitness, I'm the future, and the future is now. And I'm a visionary when it comes to, yeah.
What motivated you to go into such field?
I think me myself, I used to be a defender. I'm a very good footballer and also an athlete. And I think for me, my vision is to support and help people to get to their goals. And I think we lack this kind of drills. We lack this kind of drills. During the game, during matches, each player have to cover 10 kilometers. Yeah. Each player have to cover 10 kilometers during matches. So this drill will help you cover 15 kilometers or even 19 kilometers, so that when you get to the field, you can sustain that 10 kilometers. Then you can get to the top.
Wonderful. We are doing a great job, and I think the little we've seen you leading the Kotoko players through tells everyone that you know what you're about. But I want to find out from you, is there any plans that you collaborate with Ghana Education Service? Because catch them young. We have footballers who come out from our schools, went from primary, JHS, senior high school, into the universities. Sometimes football teams go to such places to pick talent, because we have the Milo soccer tournament whereby footballers are coming out each and every season that they play that tournament. So do you have any plans that you collaborate with Ghana Education Service to be able to go into schools to train them?
Yeah, I have a plan, and if only they'll be ready to accept what I will take there, because I've tried my best sending proposal to many countries. The time I'm about to start the Ghana tour, I sent proposal to many places, but it's like no response. I think sometimes they want to see me doing it before they can come on board. So that's why I started, because I know Africa. So that's why I've started. So if Ghana Education, any big clubs come to my aid to say, well, Mr. Fitness, we want you to come and help us do this, I'm never ready. Never ready to help them.
Beautiful. Aside training footballers, do you have special days or special time for individuals?
Yes, please. I'm the CEO of Bennett Fitness Company. I'm the director of Workers Club Ghana, whereby we go to regions. I'm the only physical trainer in Ghana here who do region by region health work. And also, I'm the CEO of Mr. Fitness Boot Camp. I organize boot camp every 3 months. Every 3 months. I use my own money to organize it, and like 2,000 people, 1,000 people come. Everybody in Ghana will be my witness. I'm the only fitness coach who does that. Sometimes with my own money, but sometimes support from McDonald's, Stephen Appiah, and also Greenfield Scientific Herbal Clinic. Because they say now, whatever you are bringing on board, we need to support you to get to your level.
Great.
Aside that too, I'm the physical trainer for Stephen Appiah, Sulley Muntari, Richmond Machiadom, Daniel Opari, McDonald's. A whole lot. It's a whole lot. And I do personal training, I do corporate workout, I also do one-on-one personal training when it comes to fitness. I do swimming as well. I'm the first Ghanaian-born fitness trainer who worked underwater extreme with equipment. So when it comes to fitness, I'm all around. I train athletes as well because I used to be an athlete.
Well, I know you started this thing before Kotoko came into the picture. But looking at the Kotoko, the schedule, how do you divide your attention?
You know, if you're a focused guy, nothing can distract you. So because I'm focused and hardworking and disciplined, I'm able to do whatever I want to do. So I don't have any issue with no.
Do you have plans to train others to join you? Like to have a team whereby you can divide them into two or something? If you are in someone's camp, they can also take care of another.
Yes, I'm doing that. I'm grooming some boys. And I want the public to know that don't jealous people or hate people when they are going to certain level, but yet try to get them, just try to get closer to them and also learn from them. I'm ever ready to support all the boys who want to learn this pro soccer drill, because I started this with Stephen Appiah 5 years ago. I know people are there who know much than me. They know this drill than me, but because they are not out to prove it. So since me, I'm out to prove it, I'm ever ready for anyone who will come and join me to work so that I can groom boys for that.
Great. Yeah. You out there, Mr. Fitness says he needs more guys, even females, to join him, to train you for you to be like him, so that you can also have your own way of trying to lead people through physical drills, training, to keep fit. Before Fabulous Zone leaves you, we want you to tell our viewers who you are, where you come from, and what you want to achieve with this vision.
I'm Leonardo Kotoko, aka Mr. Fitness. Come from the Muntari region, the Ketu sub-district. When I was in junior high school, I was training Malco girls and Olai girls in Ho. Way back then, I want to take this to different level. Before you take something to different level, you have to start from the scratch. So I'm building, then I'll take it to the top. So I think after Africa, the next drills tour will be Europe, trust me. Before ending of this year, Europe, Mr. Fitness tour drill. It will happen live.